Showbiz Budgeting 9 has added a considerable amount of flexibility in the creation and calculation of fringes, as shown here in the Edit Fringes window. Percentage-based fringes assume a calculation basis of 1. However, we've now added the capability for the user to apply the fringe cutoff for salary to use different calculation bases other than 1, such as the numbers expressed in the quantity, multiplier, and also quantity multiplied by the multiplier fields. This is helpful if you have a number of people being budgeted whose salaries are all subject to the same cutoff basis. Although the per unit fringe assumes a basis of quantity times multiplier, we've offered those same bases in the pull-down list. Per hour fringes, which are only applicable when using the short form crew category layout, now have a cutoff of hours per day. In the past, this was an amount calculated per day. So this is a new change within Showbiz Budgeting 9. It's one of the reasons that sometimes when you export a file from Budgeting 9 that will now be compatible with version 8, there may be some differences in the fringe calculations. Overtime rules set up in the Edit Fringes window are only applicable when budgeting a short-form crew directly into the account or non-detail lines. We'll set one up here. These calculations are only applied when you've entered a fringe code into the account line. When you're using details to enter labor costs, the overtime calculations are always set up within the detail itself using the OT base hour field and the various overtime factor fields. Additionally, Showbiz Budgeting 9 allows you to define a certain number of hours included within a day that are to be paid at premium rates. You'll see the new premium hours settings down at the bottom. I'm going to enter 4. Let's have a look at how that can work. I've navigated to my set labor category and I've entered one 16-hour day for a set PA at $200 a day. You'll notice the program states that there are 6 hours of overtime and that this equals $480. You can click on the total dollar amount at the right-click or command-click, and then click on Show Calculations. This shows the straight time, the time and a half and double time, and also the additional premium pay. This is really helpful when you have to budget for 6th and 7th days. When you click on the header for each day length, you'll notice this is where you set that number of premium hours. Thanks for watching.